for me, this is really important for me. You need to be conscious of your words. You need to treat your subject with care, as in like the subject, as in kung ano yung pinagsusulat mo, and your readers knowledgeable. Kasi hindi porket ikaw yung may alam, hindi lang ikaw yung may alam. Putting it out there, not to fearmonger, pero once you put things out online, anyone can comment. Yeah. So, hindi mo silang pwedeng tatuhin na walang alam. Kasi pwedeng, hindi lang ikaw ang may alam din. Like, sabihin natin, okay, I'm a writer, but I'm not the only writer in this world. And probably, a writer who comes across my blog will write what I have written. So, syempre, diba, that's, under objective criticism or, I don't know, harsh attack. So, kung magsusulat ka, you need to be ready for that also. And mas lalo na if you're working for clients. Kasi syempre, di ba, it's not just you and your job on the line. It's also their brand. Anyway, so that's for me. I hope you guys understood how to make a point and, other whatnots in writing. I could probably mention about storytelling, how you can incorporate that in your writing, but that's another topic na medyo lengthy na rin. Saka, sabi natin medyo, it's not really beginner friendly. And this is, where since di naman tayo lahat nakakapagsulat and we're more on, I guess, readers here. And then di ko alam kung lahat tayo nagbabasa dito because what's this? How as far as everyone could go is reading social media posts. So, yun. So I hope this was informative in a sense and could apply in your practice. And I have something actually when it comes to branding, but alam mo yun, medyo matrabaho na siya. Wait, actually. I'll stop sharing. Oh wait, nakashare pa ba yung screen ko?
Yes,
or no,
yes.
No, wait, I'll stop sharing my
we
screen.
can, yeah, okay. Yeah, that was, guys, that was nice. I know that was a great presentation, very clear, straight to the point. You're gonna share something, Jules?
Yeah, wait.
Yeah. So guys, hold on. I know may questions si Felix. So mamaya na Felix, no? May represent pa si Jules. But yeah, Donna and everyone else, may bago tayo dito si David Jonathan Valdez. He's from Davao. Hi, David. So, David, you can just turn on your audio anytime, David, ha? Huwag ka mahiya. Yes. Hello, ka Davao. May bahay din kami sa Davao, David. Kaya marunong daw, Rodora, no? Marunong ako magbisaya.
Sa magbisaya mo.
Ano na? Ano, Ivy?
Magbisaya na lang mo.
Oo, lagi. Magbisaya ta.
Kamas dali. Kamas masabtan.
Oh, kada. Bisaya po ng isa, diha, oh. As Bisaya, Chabacano, o unsa ba? Taga Zamboanga.
Halo.
Hindi ko na siya in-include kasi nagde-detract na siya sa topic. But as a freelancer, to create your personal branding, on creating your brand story, so first ask yourself, do you know yourself enough to know what you want to say and how you want to say it? So on knowing the self, so this is really self-reflective na, no? So who are you? So you need to start from where are you from, how old are you, what's your name, family lineage, all those stuff from principles and values, mission and dislike. And then lahat yun parang iti-take into account mo sa pag-create ng brand story mo. And then with what do you do, from your interests and hobbies, the line of work experience, skills. And then sa mo yan siya, i-merge lahat. Probably, another tip then is to show, not tell. Pero mas applicable yon or mas kaya mo siya. Siguro the easiest example I could give you is probably Apple. If you've seen Apple's advertisements, when it comes to the new iPhone, they're showing what the iPhone can do, and that's smart marketing, and that's also smart storytelling. And then sabi natin, how do you sabi natin I'm Jules.